Stony is graduate of the Royal Military College of Canada and has been a Harvard II military flying instructor. In his second line instructor position is Snowbirds 5, Major John Clemens from Ottawa, Ontario. Major Clemens joined the Canadian Forces after obtaining an aviation management diploma from the Confederation College and went on to become a Canadian Forces CFA fighter pilot. To commemorate 100 years of power flight in Canada, he is now returning from the left in Silver Dart. Watch the Silver Stage from Silver Dart to Vulcan during the next series.